Hello there. In this video, I will introduce you to the SAFSIMS Parent App. To get the app, head on to Google Play Store and search for SAFSIMS Parent App. Click to download and have it installed. After installing it, simply open the app and type in your children's school name. Click on it and log in with your details. From the menu bar, you can click to pay each child's school fees. Click on Make Payment, input your information, and you're good to go. To check your child's school performance, click on Results and you can view their results term by term. There, you also see other feedbacks like the class teacher's comment and any comment by the head teacher. To see all previous payments to the school, click on Payment History. There, you will get all the details and can view your receipt. You can also view invoices sent by the school on the SAFSIMS Parent App. There's so much you can do on the app. Head on to Google Play Store to download it today.